Hi guys, welcome back to my kitchen. On today's video we're going to make green banana fufu. Guys, I have lots of fufu recipes on my channel, feel free to check them out. So today we have green banana or unripe bananas. So you start by selecting very fresh green bananas with fresh skins, because we're going to use the skin. Wash it properly and cut the both ends off, and then cut into smaller chunks just to make it very easy for your blender. We are going to blend both the peel and the banana itself. This is a very high fiber fufu which will help you move your bowel and will keep you full for a long time. So if you are trying to lose weight, this is a very healthy fufu option. Into a blender, pour in the chopped bananas and pour in between half cup to 1 cup of water. I use 3/4 cups of water, which is 3/4 cup of water, to blend the banana. Now blend until everything is very smooth, then transfer into a pot and let's go over to the gas cooker area. Now, using between medium to high heat, we are going to cook and turn the fufu at the same time until we achieve our desired consistency. So this is going to take about 10 minutes in total. So just keep on turning until it begins to form fufu. At this point it's going to form lumps, which I always say in my videos. If you've watched my other fufu recipes, you know that this always happens. Okay, so this is a step that always happens. At this point it will seem as if it's gonna form lumps, but it's okay, don't worry about it. Just keep on stirring and it will eventually become very smooth and you have your very fine fufu without lumps. So this was after about 10 minutes and this is how it is looking, and this is fine. We are going to wrap up this fufu now and let it sit for about 5 to 10 minutes and solidify before we start enjoying the fufu. With those 3 medium-sized green bananas, I was able to make 2 wraps of fufu. And guys, you can pair this fufu with any soup of your choice. Okay, guess what I paired mine with? Because of the color of this fufu, which looks similar to amala, I started to use it in place of amala to enjoy the ewedu, the gbegiri, and all of that goodness that my Yoruba friend gave to me. So just watch me dish out my green banana fufu and my gbegiri, ewedu, and stew and all the proteins. Guys, I hope I did well with the plating. I don't know if I did that so well. This was my first time of testing gbegiri, ewedu, and the stew. Guys, I added a lot of proteins. I added turkey, more shake and fish, and I enjoyed this so much. Thank you guys for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up, like, comment, subscribe, share, and I'll see you guys in my next one.